Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to play Minecraft with friends for free. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Right here is Chrome. And you want to go ahead and look up in Google Aternos. This is a website that allows you to create a Minecraft server for absolutely free. So you want to go ahead and enter inside. Then you want to go ahead and click play. Here in the sign in page, you can either create a new account, sign in with an already existing account, or use a Google account. For me, I'll be using and creating a new account. Here you can input your username, then you gotta agree to these terms of service, create a password. Then once you filled everything up, you can click on sign up. Then you'll get this page. Here you want to click on create server. Once here, you can change things like your server name or your banner, so you can have a different name or a different banner. Like you can change the color right here to be different, or just change the contents of what it says. You can save it here. Then you're going to click on create. It will give you the option to back up your server, but it's not really necessary, so we're going to skip that. Once you are in here, this is basically your server page. You can change a lot of settings like having a different software, having a different version, adding mods, you loading new worlds or downloading existing ones, adding backups, etc., etc. And you can also go to the option tab where you can have a lot of more settings like having survival or creative, having a maximum amount of players, having different difficulties, etc. We're not going to change a lot of settings right here, so we can go ahead and click on the server tab. And so basically from here you can just click on start, and then it will tell you to accept the EULA. You're going to click on OK. Then it will prompt you to allow notifications. We don't need that. But now you're just gotta wait until this gray thing becomes green, and then the server is gonna be on. Now, as you can see, it became green. Now, what you can do is just copy this from right here, or just click on copy here. Then you want to go ahead to your Minecraft client, click on multiplayer, proceed. Then you want to go ahead and click on add server, go to server address, paste what you just copied, click on done. Then now you have the server right here. You can go ahead and click on join. Then you can just join the server. As you can see right here, you are inside of the server. You can play Minecraft. And if you want your friends to join, you just gotta send them this link right here, send it to them, and they do the same steps as you just did. They copy it and put it into Minecraft, and they will join the same server as you where you can play Minecraft with your friends. That was pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.